Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to find out which engine is installed on your Mercedes. Now of course, you might have a V6 engine, V8, 4-cylinder, but all Mercedes have codes, and those engines are used on multiple models. So a lot of times, like here we have the OM651. It's a diesel engine and it's used in a number of Mercedes, but how do you find that out, for example? So what you want to do is you come and you get in the car and do not press the brake pedal. What you want to do is press start only once. If you got a key, insert it and turn it one click. All the instrument cluster background lights turn on, miles display there. Do not press it to show all the lights or start the engine. Do not get to that point. This is where you need to be. On the steering wheel here, press one of these arrows left or right and scroll to trip. Alright, and then once you get to trip, what you want to do is press phone and OK over here. Alright, so let's just play trip again, phone, and a second later press OK and hold and continue to hold that, and then vehicle data will show up. So you want to use the buttons on the left of the steering wheel to press OK. Here we can see battery voltage 11.8, that's a little bit low, but keep pressing down with the arrows. Alright, keep pressing down with the arrows. Alright, engine, and then it says engine OM651, and that's what is installed in this. It might say M272, M113, M273, and so on. And then you can, look that engine up, find parts for it and see what fits. But this is how you can easily check it. You can also find that with using the VIN number. There's decoding tools where you just enter the VIN number and it tells you this is the engine. You can also call most Mercedes dealerships. If you provide the VIN number, they'll tell you which engine is installed in your vehicle. But this is another way to do that. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.